Welcome to in front of me OnePlus Nord CE2, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here to the personalizations. Now just click here to allow, and here you will see the first wallpapers folder. Click here, tap to allow, and here we can select our lock screen new folder from our device photos, if you got some photos or downloaded from the internet or just from the default ones here. For example, we'll go what's this one, just select, click here to save, and now as can you see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. And also we can do this with the second way. Just hold for a while your device screen, and here on the left down corner tap to the wallpaper icon, and by the same way select one from these photos. Just first switch it from the home screen to the lock screen here, and select, for example, this photo. Click here to save, wait a second, and now as can you see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.